One thing that's kind of shining through for me in both of these examples is some sort of demonstrated interest in the law, like
Mhm.
actively, and or some sort of personal experience as well. So I'm thinking that applicants would want to have at least one of those things. And if they happen to have a personal connection, then maybe it's good to talk about that as well.
Yeah, that's definitely I would say, and most students either talk about why they want to go into law or they talk about some personal experience that's not related to the law, but that has driven them to want to go into law.
Yeah.
So,
So let's say someone is like a senior in college, or maybe they've been in the workforce a couple of years. What and they maybe they haven't done anything to demonstrate law interest in the law that they could put on a resume.
mhm.
What might they look to do at that point if they're already out of school specifically to demonstrate interest in the law? What are some examples you've seen
Are we talking just for the personal statement?
for the personal statement, but also it could be in the resume too, of course.
Yeah, so I would say for the personal statement, it really is just telling a story. It doesn't have to connect to the law. Some of the best ones you read don't talk about the law at all. They just talk about this personal experience that they've had, and that's why they want to go to law. Um, for the resume, it's not necessary to have any experience in the law. I actually myself didn't have any experience in the law prior to coming, and so we do get a lot of students who choose to go and do some sort of internship or externship during undergrad or work as a legal assistant after graduation, or paralegal is another one we see a lot of. But by no means are students expected to have that experience. We have some, like, I know we've had one student who started in the past couple of years who worked in business and finance for a long time, never connected with the law, so to speak, but they're interested in banking and business law. And so that's what they want to come into. So wide variety of experience, and that's actually kind of what's great about being unique in the experiences you can lay out. And some schools do offer different ways to frame it too. Some schools offer diversity statements as an option, or other sorts of essays that they can then write about an interest in the law, or conversely, what experience has led them to the law.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.